MAJiK Systems unlocks unrealized potential using real-time plant floor analytics. MAJiK connects directly to equipment controls to monitor, analyze, and optimize your manufacturing operations. MAJiK Visual Factory gives you a real-time view of equipment availability, performance, and quality to predict your future capacity and head off any problems before they happen. KPI dashboards make it simple to find waste and bottlenecks, improve overall equipment effectiveness, and ensure orders are shipped on time. Understand how to get the most out of your facilities and where to make your next investment. MAJiK Systems lets you take Industry 4.0 by storm. Empower your team to implement intelligent lean processes by connecting systems across your manufacturing operations and business.